It's Friday the 30th of June and we're on the main street behind the marina in Vilamoura, and the whole place is decked out in flowers along the footpath here. That's absolutely brilliant. So colourful, beautiful. And the trees. And so many variations of flowers. These are beautiful. There's a blackbird singing there. And this whole stretch, there's a little alleyways running down towards the marina. And again, floral displays. Look at this tree. Who wouldn't find this tree growing at home? Look at the flowers in that. The petals. There's down to the marina. I'm putting the camera in the wrong place. Down in here. All sorts of wee alleyways leading off. Temperature this morning is probably around 30. And there's the marina there. Full of restaurants, gift shops, and all the rest of it. The alleyways open out onto this kind of scenario. And this is where all the rich and famous people live. People stopping for selfies. That's the Tivoli Marina Hotel. So this is where we are. For a wee bit of R&R. And we're under a cover here. Beautifully cool. Look at the colour of the houses. Reminds you of Whitehead back home. Okie doke. That's just opposite the museum. And this is what we're at. And whenever you go anywhere, you've got to have a Häagen-Dazs. And a lot of these boats are actually charter boats or hire boats. And here's the kind of prices that you might be paying. And this is the evening of our last day at Vilamoura. And this is the scene. And this is where Tanya's buying some gifts to take home. And I'm buying nothing. There are a few yachts heading in. Hope you've enjoyed these wee series of videos about Vilamoura. I'd certainly come back, but I do fancy a cruise next summer if I'm still alive. And a partner's boat. That's the just for you. It's one of the hire boats. I like the sound of the engine. Sounds like a Harley.
Das ist hier so eine 48er. 48er. Ja, hast du gehört? Hast du gehört alle?
Ja, aber man sieht ja auch.